Hi guys, it's been a while since we've posted a video, so I'm going to show you what Chili and I have been working on. You can see he's getting very big. He's doubled Bruno in size, and Bruno doesn't think that's very fair, huh buddy? All right, so randomly through the day, I like to knock on my door or ring the doorbell, and when that sound goes off, I guide my puppy over to a spot where I want him to be whenever he hears that noise. And I wait for him to lay down, and then I mark and reward it. And then I expect him to stay there while I go and open the door, close the door, walk in the door, walk out of the door, that kind of thing. So I'll just show you a little bit of what this looks like. So first of all, you're going to want to have some really yummy treats that your puppy likes with you, just so you can reward the behavior and get what you want. Hopefully the lighting's not too bad with my windows this morning. So I just like to go over to my door. My dogs can be doing anything, playing or whatever. You're going to ring the door, or the doorbell, and when he hears that noise, we're going to go over to where I want him to be because he heard the noise. This is just good so that he doesn't freak out when the doorbell rings throughout the day. This is where I want him to be. I'm going to wait for him to lay down. Yes, good boy. And I'll give one to Bruno. Good catch, buddy. Hey, Bruno. You don't have a place, but you're going to have to stay there, buddy. And then I like to walk back to my door. I like to open it while he's there. I like to close it. Sometimes I go out of it and come back in it. It helps if you have another person when you're working with this, just in case your puppy's not going to stay there. Then once the door's closed and I come back in, I can say, release, and they can get off. They get a treat for doing so great. Good boys. Some extra treats there. All right. So then sometimes I like to mix it up and do a little bit of knocking, just so that it's different noises that we're hearing. And when we hear that noise, we come over to our beds. And I like to put my puppy far enough away from the door that he's not going to bolt out of the door when I open it. Yes, good dog. All right, Bruno, good boy. As you can see, outside, then we come back inside, shut the door. Release. Good dogs. Good boys. Such a good dog, Chili. Such a good boy, huh? We're doing good. All right, that's doorbell training 101. That's how we started out with a brand new puppy.